have no credit, a thin credit history, or have made some credit mistakes, all is not lost, not by a long shot. There are proven ways to build and fix your credit. First, pay your bills on time. Even one missed payment or a payment that's only a few days late can hurt your credit. If you do have missed payments, pay them as soon as possible. Pay off debt. This may seem obvious, but it can help you out the most. Paying down your revolving credit, or credit that's automatically renewed as you pay it off like a credit card, means you owe less money and you have more available credit to your name. Keep balances low on credit cards. Carrying lots of outstanding debt on revolving accounts like credit cards can hurt your history. Don't close all your old, unused credit cards. Closing a credit card means that you're lowering your available credit and possibly shortening your credit history. Don't open a lot of new credit or accounts too quickly. If you open up a lot of credit at once, that's a red flag to lenders and could hurt your credit score. Watch out how often your credit gets pulled, especially if you're shopping around for loan rates, such as when you're car shopping. Don't open accounts just to have a better credit variety. It probably won't boost your credit that much. Manage revolving credit. One of the quickest ways to build or rebuild your credit score is to use revolving credit, like credit cards, wisely. There are also ways to boost your credit without borrowing. Here are a few. Get a secured credit card. These are often offered through banks and credit unions to help you build credit. Unlike a regular loan, where you borrow money before you have it, a secured credit card requires you to deposit funds into an account first. You then use your credit card regularly and pay your balance in full every month. Credit Builder Loan. These are sometimes offered through banks, credit unions, and nonprofits just to help you build credit. You won't get any money up front like a regular loan. Instead, you make payments over time that the bank or organization puts into an interest-bearing savings account. Once the loan is paid off, you get access to your money that you saved up. Be a cosigner. If you decide to cosign a loan for someone else, you're guaranteeing that that loan will be repaid, even if that means paying it yourself. So think carefully before you decide to cosign a loan. But if the borrower makes on-time payments, that can help your credit without you having to do a thing. Add an authorized account user to your credit card. This means that the other person's payment history will be reported on your credit history too. If the account holder has a good record, this can help your credit. However you decide to start building or repairing credit, remember, it's usually never worth going into debt just to boost your credit history. Debt is debt, so use it wisely.